Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, How to with Glimmer. So now I'm going to be teaching you how you can use Spark Post to print on your print on demand website like Redbubble, Match by Amazon, and and Teespring. So imagine you want to print something like this. You want to print something like this on a cloth. So I want to do this kind of design, but not specifically like this kind of design. So I'm actually going to go to my Spark Post right here. This Spark Post is actually free. You can get pictures for free, and there are some that are actually paid, but they have these free pictures. But actually, we are not going for the pictures right now. So now you're going to click the plus button right here, right there, and down below. So it's going to show this place. You're actually going to go to that this part, this little part, the site right here. Yeah, you're going to click right there. So we're going to choose the white one. So you're gonna choose the settings. You want to choose this kind of settings, this kind of pixel. So click on it actually, and that's done. So right here, I want to design it one by one actually. So I delete all these ones and put legends right then next. So actually it's like this, I think. So I want to edit it. Let me choose red. You can actually remove this stuff by choosing no, or you can actually put it like this, you understand. But actually we are not going this kind of far like that. So we're gonna press this part without, no, we're gonna use this one, I think. So right here I'm gonna move it like this, then change the color to red and white. Let's see, black and white. Then I'm going to change it in the stuff to red, then press done right there. So I'm going to switch it, you see. So it's actually good like this. Then I'm going to move it to the top. Then we click done right there. So we're going to add another one, text. Then we press never die. So never, we're going to press never. We're not going to do it like this. So I'm going to remove the stuff right there, and I'm going to change it to black. Yeah, so actually it's going to be around this side right there. So yeah, we're going to change it like this. I think I want the regular one. Yes. So if you want to change the size actually right here, I can change it right this. Yeah, so this is actually how we can do it. So now if you want to add effects, then it's going to be like this. If you want to add effects, but I'm not actually adding effects, so I'm going to leave it like this. So this is done with, we are done with this one. You're going to click done, then add another one right here. So we're going to write die. See, legends never die. So we're going to change the font of this. I saw something here. So we're gonna put it like this. I'm gonna put it like that. Then switch the size like this. Actually, I think it's okay. So I'm gonna leave the stuff like this. So you see, legends never die. Actually, it's not that here. So you see, legends never die. You can actually move the stuff. Let me move the stuff upward like this. So actually, I think it's best like this. So this is actually the best way. You can you can write this stuff on print on demand. You can do this on share. This is actually like the best way. So you remove this audio spark, Adobe. You can remove this watermark. You can remove it, remove logo, then actually the stuff is already gone. Actually the stuff is already gone. You see right there. So normally this legend is actually not straight, but I did everything because of the video. I'm trying to show you guys how you can do a perfect way with Spark Post, and actually it's not going to be taking much of your time. So you can just click the download, this arrow right here, and click it right there, and it's going to be showing you transparent image. You're going to click the transparent image. So right here they're going to telling you that the dimension, they reduce it to 3720 772. So now they're telling you to go to their website so you can get the dimension you want. And actually I think we go with this dimension also, but you can go to the website if you want the bigger one. So we're going to click OK. So OK, and everything is going to be posted, everything is going to be done. So you can now take this and put it on your print on demand website, on your shirt. You can now paste it and edit it and get what you want. You understand? So that's how it is on Spark Post. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new, and click on the notification button to get more of my videos. Thank you very much.